Do we truly ever forget pain? Do we truly ever forget pain? Two interchangeable ideas, pleasure and pain, each molding us in their way. But why do some choose to forget pain, while others embrace it, shaping who they truly are? The mind trusts the boy, yet the body retains. Pain cannot be masked by pleasure. They are two sides of the same coin. Like a shadow, it lingers. A silent witness. Not always visible, but always there.
I'm tired of messing up my life with overcomplicated moments and sticky situations. I tried to fuck you with the lights on, and I hope you think I'm open and have a conversation. I'm tired of messing up my life with overcomplicated moments and sticky situations. You're right, I hold it in my body, little snakes inside a bottle, writing in my frustrations. But it hurts so bad to show my skin with you watching. You know, it makes me shy. Come to 1, 2, 3, and show my little melody. Come on, say something nice to me.
When do we engage?
We get so wrapped up in what's worth our energy, what will help us grow, and what will negatively impact us that we lose the ability to organically connect with other people. There needs to be a balance, a way to feel like you're doing enough and that you're allowed to naturally just be in a way that isn't manufactured, personalized to the interests of your surroundings, and just is you, naturally and whole. We can be so painfully aware of how much the energy around us impacts our own well-being and our own headspace that we live in fear and anxiety that something is going to mess with our day. But isn't that just human nature? If we don't allow things to ebb and flow in the way the universe had made it to be, do we risk tampering with our own fate? There are some moments in time where, of course, we need to isolate ourselves and process our emotions, and that's okay. We get constantly caught up in this go, go, go nature that being present in time almost feels like a chore itself. Just another thing that's on your self-care to-do checklist. It's gotten to the point that mindfulness has become its own therapeutic modality, an intervention that we have to utilize when our mind is no longer serving us. Life really is just a balance game. Numbness versus awareness, pleasure versus pain, the process of fulfilling expectations versus indulging. What do you feel like you have enough of, and what do you feel like is not enough? All of these things exist in duality, yet still offer a limitless space for exploration, a capacity to feel, and an intent to connect not only to the people around us, but the innermost parts of ourselves. It is a constant journey of closing doors, opening new ones, and giving yourself permission to be free.